Mr. Head Potato.
He's a big Mr. Head Potato because today we're going to talk about the part of the face. You know, Marcelo? Oh, yes. Okay, let me see. You know the part of the face, Marcelo? Where are your eyes? Yes. And where is your nose? And where is your mouth? And your tongue? And your ears? And your cheek? And your eyebrow? And your eyelash? And your teeth? Good job, Marcelo. Wonderful job. So, what are we going to do? We're going to paste the part. Yes, that's a hat. And the shoes. But we're going to paste, Marcelo, the part of the face to Mr. Potato Head. You want to do it?
Oh,
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to start with these. I don't know what are those. Look. Look, Marcelo. What are those? The eyes. Okay, go paste the eyes. The eyes. No, down. A little bit down. Yes, very good, Marcelo. Now, you're going to add the ears. No, a little bit out. Yeah, that was good. Okay, upside down that one. Okay, that's good. Very good. Now, look, Marcelo, you're going to add the eyelash here. Look, on the eyes. 1 and 2. Go paste the eyelash. Look, this one here. Go paste on the eyes, like this. Look, Marcelo, like this. The eyes, then you can paste this. The eyelash. Yeah. Very good. Here. Can you put near the eyes? Close to the eyes. Close to the eyes. Close to the eyes. Here, look. Close to the eyes. Yeah, very good. And the other one? Good job, Marcelo. Wonderful job. Very good.
yeah.
And now, you're going to paste the eyebrow. Look, you're going to paste 1 and 2, like this, okay? Paste the eyebrow. Very good. Wonderful job, Marcelo. Very good. Good job.
Yeah.
Now, what is this? Yes, it's the nose. So go and paste the nose. At the nose to Mr. Head Potato.
What happened, Marcelo?
You can walk.
Why are you crawling?
Where goes the nose? A little bit down. Yes, very good. Oh, I love it. And now we're going to add, look, Marcelo. Oh God, a mustache. No. Yeah, very good. A mustache. And the last one. What is missing? The man with the teeth. Because Mr. Head Potato is so happy. Yes, Mr. Head Potato, teeth. Go and paste. Oh, I love it. Ho ho. You like it? So, Marcelo, let's see. You're going to touch, okay? Where are the ears? Go and touch Mr. Head Potato ears. Very good. Where are the eyes? Where are the eyes? Good job. Where is the nose? Where is the nose? Yes. What color is the nose? What color? It's color red. Where is the mouth? Where is the mouth, Marcelo? Where is the mouth? No, not your mouth. Mr. Head Potato's mouth. Where is it? Mouth. Yeah. Where is the mustache? Where is the mustache? Yeah. And what about the eyelash?
mouth fall down, Marcelo.
He was so happy to play the mouth. Oh, what's that? Oh, what's that? I don't know. Open, open, open. I want to see what's inside.
What's the big surprise?
Oh my god.
What is that?
Let me see, what is that? What's that?
Iron Man.
Mr. Head Potato Iron Man! You like it?
Yeah.
Yes?
Iron Man.
Oh my god, I love it! What do you have there? Give me the box. Give me the box. Show me the box, Marcelo.
Oh, no, no.
It's an Iron Man potato head.
Oh!
Wow.
Oh,
Look.
it's inside?
Those are the eyes, Marcelo? Oh,
What do you have there? What do you have there, Marcelo?
I don't know.
Hands? What? What? Open, open, open. You can open.
those are the eyes.
Yeah.
The ears.
Open, open. Open. Oh, no. You have the hands. You have the hands.
Help me!
Whoa! Whoa! Okay, so let's start. You have to put all the part of the face, Marcelo. You're gonna start with the arms. Okay, that's not the part of the face, but you're gonna start with the arm, with the arms. No, I think you have to put the arms down, down, down. In the last hole. Yeah, in the last one. Okay. Very good.
Show Mr. Potato to Daddy, Marcelo.
Very good. Good job. No,
No, the
wait.
helmet
Now
is the
the
last one.
eyes. First, the eyes. Show it to Daddy, the eyes. Where? Oh, look. How many eyes? Two. No, that's the nose. No, wait. We need the nose first. We need the nose. We need the ears. We need the mouth. No, but wait. We need first the nose and the mouth.
Put the nose
Yeah, put the
first.
nose, then the mouth, then the ears. No, then the mask. You're right, and you can put the ears outside. Yes. Oh,
Oh.
he's not happy. He's sad.
Show it to Daddy,
He's
Marcelo.
sad. He's happy. Yeah, he's happy.
What happened to the nose?
I think he can put the mask with the nose. And the ears? What about the ears? You can add the ears with the mask. Let's see, Marcelo. I can see it. Show it to mommy and to your friends. Marcelo, look. You can add the ears. You can add the ears. Yes, you can. There. Yes, you can add the ears there. Oh, I love it. Yeah, one ear. No, you can't. No.
On the other side, yes, there's another hole you can put it there.
Look, and I have a mustache here. You can put the mustache. But you can add first the nose. No, take it off the mask. Take it off the mask, put the nose, the mustache. No? Okay.
Pew, pew, pew. I am a... Let's take out his mask. Let's take out his arm.
Eyes.
And let's put his helmet. His head. Subscribe.
Like my guy. Bye,
Bye-bye.